Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Na me, una friend and una Lady G. Wetin don dey go on for some time now. Now I wan share with una, make I see una own mind, how una see am and how I see am. Now I wan see analyze am small to una, to tell una how me too I feel about this matter, about this Fulani of a thing, and then this settlement when Bubu wan give them. I no understand, because the thing get as e be. For now, as far as I'm concerned, many people dey vex for this matter. Many people that dey vex no be small, because this new law when this man just bring from nowhere, he wan just put am in midst of us, e get as e be. Okay, make we take example from other neighboring country, African neighboring country, place like Ethiopia, place like Kenya and all that. They try to wan improve their country more in the aspect of transportation, in aspect of electricity. Western world, they try to eliminate some cars by the year 2020, like diesel and all that, so that they will get electric car. But wetin our own oga get for us na to park car come dey live in midst of us, na to bring Fulani people come give them settlement when e be say e no quite okay, say these people they are a bunch of troublemakers. You no fit stay with them, you no fit cope with them. Why? Because their way when they dey reason is different from our own. They get different mentality. Why must you give them settlement? Why not give them settlement in your own hometown? Other places dey for north when e be say if you really love them, since they be your brother, really get that feeling for them, you go fit give them settlement for there. He say no, but na here for south now he won't give them settlement, because he know the thing when e be say he go come out for inside later. He say wetin make am he won't give them settlement for this south, for this side, now because say they don't get enough grass, they don't get enough pasture when the animals go dey eat for there. Excuse me, for north na dem dey produce tomatoes, na dem dey bring rice, na dem dey bring yam for us, na dem dey bring onions. All of them up till now dem dey grow for north. Why e come be say now na grass no come gree grow for there when the animals they go eat? You say na for south, na there they go fit get good grass or good place to settle down. Dis na the people when e be say e don cause pains for many families. E don cause many things when e be say many people they for want make justice take place, but they no get that voice. Nobody go lis ten to them, because you no really care about them. You no condemn wetin dem do for this headmen, wetin dem don dey do for Nigeria for some time. You no condemn am. You no fight for the people. You no send. Okay, they still hold their pains, they still dey like that, and you just wan come carry the people when be say cause this pain, put in midst of them. E no good like that. As a president, no be so you suppose to take care of your people. That is, you suppose dey there as a father to them, to cry to them in time of need, for them to cry to you in time of need. If they need your help, they need protection and everything from you, but you no dey there for them. You are just self-centered. Na only your own. The thing when e be say as far as the something don satisfy you, don make you happy, period, na so the thing will go. All these herdsmen when you say you won't come bring, now this Fulani people when you say you won't give settlement, now the future now we dey look, not the one when you do today. Now wetin go happen in future, wetin go come, the outcome of it, now that one I be the main thing when we dey look. These people, this Fulani of a thing, as far as I'm concerned, not be only Nigeria they dey different other neighboring African country like Senegal, like Niger, they dey for Ghana, they dey different place. They don't get one settlement, they don't get one place where they stay. How come now you can't be say now you can't carry them, can't say you won't give them settlement, they go dey one permanent place, build school, build hospital, build market, build different things. By the way, where this money won't come when you want to do all those things? If e be say you get this money all this while, wetin make you no use am improve our situation for Nigeria? We no get good road, light e no dey there. 24 hours of the day, Nigeria cannot boast of 5 hours constant electricity for 5 hours. We no fit boast of am. Yet you get billions when e be say now you wan take improve Fulani people just because say they be your brother. That one no be partiality. For me, that one na partial. Okay, if you can't give these people this settlement when you want now, as e be say dis Fulani people, all these herdsmen and Fulani and be wetin dem dey call them, no be one place, no be dem dey different place, different part of the of Africa when e be say dem no get settlement. Then now you come hear say you don give dem settlement for Nigeria. I think all those one, all of them go pack come join them. Now till 10 years time, if dem be 50 population wey e be say na you give that land, you give that settlement, in 10 years time dem go multiply because dem go dey born children. And when dem don dey born children, wetin go come happen? Dem need more space. Na there the katakata go come worse. So Mr. Bubu, I know say this thing when you dey implement, you know the consequences, you know wetin e go bring, you know no problem, you know katakata when e go cause. Just because of your own selfish interest, you no really care about the masses. You no really care how they feel. This same man, for your same regime wey be say you don first rule before, the time when you first rule 1983, I think say many people go dey when be say dem know that time when this thing, this same man, many people dey, many family dey when he put in pains. I was a victim too. My family, my papa and my mama, they get shop together for one building. One day na so dem come during the time when this man dey rule, 1983. Na so they come, they bulldozer the building, they destroy the two shop, destroy my papa, destroy my mama. We were helpless. We were almost like where we go start from. This na family when we say family of 7, we be 7. My mama, my papa, they render them helpless in the same day. When he come out for power, people know say yes, this man, the agony when he put some people that time, many people still dey when be say, some people even be say they even kuku comot for this world just because say they no fit bear the circumstance that time, they no fit tolerate and they no fit bear am. That memory still dey my brain till today. Why e be say anytime when e be say na this marriage, you know, be say some things dey when e go happen, when e be say even though say you don rule finish, the thing go become pains and problem go remain for our mind. Na so e suppose be. For here for Western world, they see vote of confidence. If governor or president be say they rule now, when e be say you know never know how it dey rule now, whether na not agree with it. When they see vote of confidence, be say if you do that vote of confidence, the masses go come talk say yes, you dey rule us well, you know dey rule us well, you go continue, you no go continue. If dem say yes, you go continue. If dem say no, e go step down immediately. You no go wait till when they go do the next election. But na only for Naija, my country, na im dey happen. Why e be like that? Why e be like that? People that we supposed to rely on, na the people wey e be say na dem dey kill us. This herdsmen wey e be say you wan put in midst of us, wey be Fulani people, everybody know how dangerous they are. Even though say you dey claim say they no get they no dey harmful, everybody know say that one na lie. Some time ago when be say never to take, get time when be say you can't talk some things with President of America, he can't ask you some questions. He say these herdsmen of 18, these Fulani people, when the whole Naija people they complain, they give them wahala, they follow them, they fight, they cause pain, and then they clash together. Who be these people? You say they no be anybody, oh, they just be common people when be say na only sick, then they take the waka, when they take the graze their cow, and now apart from that one, they no be Nigerians, so they no be Nigerian. Now from other neighboring country, now they hide pass backyard enter house. That was the statement when you make. Now our oga on top, now you make now that one be statement. Then how come these people when be say they no be Nigerian and backyard they pass enter house? Now you won't give them settlement. Me I dey smell something. I believe say there is something under this something. I don't know whether na wetin I dey think. Now you dey think. Me I dey smell something. I dey think say maybe e get some contract when this man and these people do. Then he promise them say na like this thing go take compensate them. If not, e no fit just come out just take this decision like this. Say na so you want am. When you no even care how the people will feel. So by God's grace, I believe say this their plan, e no go work. E no go work because no be only Fulani herdsmen, no be only them be the people when you get business for Nigeria. As far as I'm concerned, this Fulani people when be say they graze cow, na personal business, na in dem be. No be government. Oh, I don't know whether government don add and join their constitution. No be government business, na personal business, individual. So wetin go make you come take other people problem, take and dey oppress other people? Many other people for part of Nigeria, they travel go north, go do business, go hustle. If they reach there, they go rent shop, they get house, they get different activity when they do for them, different things when they go do for them. They rent their house, they rent their shop. When they finish, when time come, maybe during festivity or anything, they go come back home. They don't give the settlement for them. Other people there for Nigeria, when we say they get their profession, when they do like the jobs, different other people, the fishermen, spare parts dealers, and different other people there when we say they get different profession, different things, their means of living, when we say now this one be their occupation. You not give them any settlement. Then how come become be say now these people now be say you want to give settlement? If not be say e get something wey dey under, if not because say na partiality, na because say na partial you wan do, say na your brothers. A country wey e be say e big like that, how you go just carry big country like that, Nigeria as a whole, like that, just like say you dey manipulate all of them, you dey turn them to the way you want. Nobody fit ask you, nobody fit do anything. This thing wey you dey do so is very bad. It's very bad, because anything wey you sow for this life, na you go reap a future. Even though say you don old, your generation to generation go still come. Your generation to generation go still come. This thing if it can't affect them one way or the other. Okay, this Fulani people, now if the population they can't grow and they need more space, wetin go come happen? Wetin go come happen? Not be to cause katakata, not be to cause war, not be to cause problem, not be this one, not be to make people be say anything wey wan happen, make it happen. Abeg, I don't know how una see this matter, because the thing, the way it dey vex me, na so I take bring and come out. Now the way it dey vex, na so I take talk and come out, because e no suppose be like this. This na our country, and all of us get right. Even though say we no even dey there, we wan be say we dey Western world for here, the thing still concern us, because we know if the economy dey fail, e still dey affect us in one way or the other, because we know how much when we dey send every day. You know how much when we say when we dey for Western world for here, they send go house. Now na to improve the economy. So the thing, if e no handle Nigeria well, the thing dey affect us indirect. Not fit say e no concern, e concern us. If e no concern us today, e go concern us tomorrow. So e concern you, concern all of us, e concern me. Na our country, so we no fit just dey look make one man just come go just carry everybody, dey manipulate, they just turn everybody to the way when he want. E no dey happen. It's not done. It's not done in any way. We know they see good improvement. No, excuse me. We know they see something new. Say now this one be the new improvement today. The whole world go say you really try for this one. Now only to bring some kind negative things when it be say it go affect people one way or the other. When everybody go feel sad. Now so that one. Now in the one they implement for Nigeria. My people, I don't know how una see this matter. Now as I see am, na so me I take talk am so. If you get your own opinion and you get your own say, or you get your own way when you see the matter, or you get something when you wan contribute, when e be say e go fit help for this matter, e go fit make that is, we go rub mind together. Now everybody get their own idea, not be my idea, not be your own. Everybody get now our country. Now we are into this together. So make you still talk your own opinion and leave your comment below in the comment section. Abeg, when this video don finish, if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumb up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and the subscription button, the red button there. You will see am. When you dey watch this video, you will see the subscription button. Don't forget to hit am and the notification bell if na your first time, so that anytime when I upload new video, you go dey see am. And my new video, I will soon release my new video. That one it go be ogbonge, and when it be say make you not dey left out, to make you not miss any part of it. So you better subscribe now and hit the like button, and so that when any new video come, you will get them. So stay blessed, as I go stop for here now until we meet again for my next video. Bye, take care, bye.